For anybody who's never been in therapy before, or you want to try it, but you're a little bit nervous, or maybe you're in therapy and you're not sure if you're doing it right, I want to make it really simple for you. You really only have one job. Your only job in therapy as the patient or the client is to be totally and completely painfully honest. Your job is to be more honest than you've ever been with anyone, more honest than you've ever been with yourself. A kind of honesty that feels scary. Share the parts of yourself that you're most ashamed of. Share the parts of yourself that make you feel the most uncomfortable. Don't worry if you think it has value. Let the therapist decide that. You want to share your deepest, weirdest, darkest thoughts. And then your therapist will kind of help you make sense of them. But therapy won't work if you're not being totally, completely, painfully, brutally honest. That's one job, but it's actually really, really hard to do. I recognize that. That level of honesty, especially with someone, if the therapist is new, you're not sure if you trust them, you think, oh, this person's just like being paid to listen to me. Try, if you can, to just disregard all that. Have some faith and trust the process that therapy is a space of no judgment, of complete safety and trust. And if you can remind yourself of that and relax a little bit, your only job is to dig deep and be honest. Like, what are the things that make you embarrassed? What are the things that you think about that you don't ever tell anybody? That's the kind of honesty we need in therapy. Rather than thinking about, oh, should I talk about my mom or growing up or my partner or my job? Just be honest. Just try to be so honest. Honest like you've never been before. If you're able to do that, therapy will work, even if the therapist is a bad therapist, even if the therapist is brand new and they don't know what they're doing. Just the act of you as the patient, as the client, taking what's in here and having it come out as sound, as words out of your mouth, just that alone will be very helpful. If you have a really good therapist, they'll help you connect the dots, they'll help you make sense of it. But none of that can happen if you are not holding up your end, which is to be, again, painfully, brutally honest and vulnerable. And again, I know that that's like not easy. So on one hand, I'm giving you one simple thing to do. On the other hand, it's like maybe the hardest thing you've ever done in your life. Think of something that you've never told anyone. Think of something that you think, well, that's weird. That's stupid. That's what you should share. Share the thing that you don't want anyone to know. That's how you do therapy, or that's how you start. That's a good place to start. From there, you can build off of that. This is not a comprehensive list, okay? This is just one suggestion for one thing. But if you can do that one thing, you're golden. Did that seem like a Trump thing?